This question says, which is a more likely scenario? Is it what we see depicted in A, B, or if they're equally likely, then mark C. So let's start with what the difference is between A and B, starting with A. In A, we see that the rope first curves around the bulge in this cliffside before then continuing vertically downwards. In B, we see something different. The rope does indeed curve around this bulge in the cliffside, but instead of continuing vertically downwards, it continues to curve, following the contour of the mountain and towards the person. So which is more likely to happen? Well, this is nothing more than a weight at the end of a rope. So we have the weight of the person acting directly downwards, and we can label that in both A and B. And therefore, we would expect the rope to also be vertically downwards, because the tension should be directed exactly opposite, and thus upwards. So what we see in A is an accurate or a likely depiction of the scenario. You have the downward weight of the person, which is being opposed by the upward tension in the rope. But in B, we don't have this. We have the downward weight of the person, so we should see the upward tension in the rope. But this suggests that the tension is actually at some angle, which doesn't make sense considering, again, the weight of the person is acting directly downwards. So for these reasons, it's scenario A that is more likely, and that is indeed our correct answer.